All right, I don't want to brag here, but I might just be the first YouTuber to record this new lift here at the Highlands at Harbor Springs. This is the Camelot 6. It's a 6-person bubble express lift. Yeah, there's a plastic cover there. You can put it down to keep snow from hitting you in the face. Or just keep warm in general. So, I've never been on this lift. It actually replaced like 3 lifts here. This actually used to be where the Camelot triple used to be. Over there is where the MacGully triple used to be. And the Valley quad used to be behind those trees. So yeah. I don't know how many poles or how many chairs are on this lift, but I'm gonna find out really, really soon. All right. Oh, it goes down to the right, comes up on the left. Who saw that coming? Okay. Been recording for a minute here, and I'm still not in the chair. Don't get mad at me. Okay. Let's do this. Thank you. 33, 34. Huh. Okay, we got a good idea. Oh, it's one of those conveyor belt lifts too. That's nice. That's real nice. Oh, it's got a jumbotron too. I've seen one of these at Boyne Mountain, except the chair has 8 seats. Looks like we're gonna be on chair 36 if we're lucky. 36 of how many? I don't know. But here I go. That's 36. I don't even know. Oh crap. I gotta get my clothes on. Crap. Okay, forget it. We're here. We're good. We begin. 39. Okay, here I go. Yeah, so here we are. That's chair 40 apparently. Should I put down the bubble? Will it obstruct my view? I don't know, but we are going up. 41. Oh yeah, by the way, the Disciples 8 chair lift at Boyne Mountain, which isn't, actually no, it didn't have a bubble like this, but it had 40 chairs and 8 poles. So here you are. Oh, there's 43 chairs. Good. Put this baby down, see what happens. Oh, come on. Get down. I can't pull it down. Oh, no. Oh, well. It's okay. We don't need the bubble covering every time, but it's just really convenient to have. So, yeah. 43 chairs. And God knows how many poles. Number 4. Yeah, the Valley used to go that. The Valley chairlift used to be over there. So yeah, pole 4. Oh, this is not gonna have many poles at all. I just know it. Oh, they're making snow. Oh. What a sea change this system smoker's not. It looks like all the. I checked the snow report, it looks like all 6 lifts are gonna be open tomorrow. But because it's night skiing right now, sun's going down, they're gonna have 3 chairlifts that are closed. But man, I am super pumped to be on Amy's again, and then the Interconnect and the North Face. The 2 lifts that I have never been on. Yeah, I went here 3 years ago. And this lift was not in place. It was, I think it just first opened this season. This lift right here. And yeah, so yeah. Still making snow. I think it's pull 7, I think. Yeah, sounds about right. Yeah, we're in chair 36 or 036. I don't know why why the chair numbers have zeros in front of them. Look at that. Now you probably can't. It's probably going too fast. I don't know, but yeah. Okay, looks like we're gonna have 9 poles. So yeah, there you have it. 9 poles and 43 chairs. Yeah. Oh yeah, the Camelot triple that this replaced. 11 poles and 60 chairs. The MacGully had poles A, B, and C, and then 1 to 22. That's really 25, but whatever. And 126 chairs. The Valley quad. But Lars and Mars has filmed that. I've never been on it. Come on, can't take. Oh, this row, right? This is the arm. This is the bar that locks itself into place. It's an automatic. Well, how about that? Yeah, 0. So yeah, how about that? Pretty impressive. Come on. Off we go. Come on. Yo. Yeah, there we go. That's more like it.